the left shoulder, eh?
Yeah, left. I don't really know where the problem is, but it's somewhere over there.
Alright. Let's see if we can figure it out. Yeah. The joints are quite large in
I
there.
have no idea what's up.
Hips are pretty stiff too, actually.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
I feel it a lot in my neck, for sure. I don't know if I'm sleeping incorrectly. I don't know.
Well, it can be. Maybe like chronic thing, like most mornings type, or
Yeah,
like most days.
but just lately I haven't, like I just don't feel comfortable sleeping at all, and like I toss and turn and using like my body pillow to sleep so my hips are in line, but then I feel like my back's not.
Can you hold that up for me? Hamstring isn't happy. Try that again. And hamstring isn't happy. So if we come back to the hip, try that again. Good. And then the sacrum. Better. And check the same on the other side. And better. Hold better. And then no support. Goes away pretty quick.
Yeah.
Alright. And then can you raise the right leg up as high as it'll go? Good. Let that down. Try the other one. Good. Relatively even side to side?
Pretty, yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to start by adjusting in through here, and then we'll go down to the hips after. You're okay with some pressure there?
Yeah.
All right. Deep breath in when you're ready. And out. Good. And then one more here. And breath in. Out. There it is. Perfect. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Here, I'm going to borrow your head. I'm going to bring you over to your right. And a breath in. And out. Perfect. And the other side. And a breath in. That was a big one. Good. With you here, I do want to test how the mid-trap and the rhomboid are doing. So I'm going to bring your hand out to the side. And then I'm going to have you point thumb down. I'm going to try and bring you down. Can you try and hold that up for me? That's pretty rough. If I pin you in through the tendon insertion, and maybe a bit better, but not a lot. Try that again. Not a whole lot better. One more here. Hold. Slightly better. And if I take that away, hold. Yeah, that's a difference. So you get to relax.
Yeah, my massage therapist said it was rhomboids related for sure.
Yep. Yeah, they're not happy.
No, not at all.
So with that, I'm going to bring you back up. Hold that up for me. Good. And then I'll have you turn the thumb up towards the ceiling as much as you can. Press up and be there. So trap is fine. Just to see. So I'm going to try and press you down here. We're going to test more lower trap. Hold that up. And that seems fine. Perfect. I'm going to come around. We'll check the same over on the right. I'm less concerned about it, but try and hold that up for me. Perfect. And then thumb up. Hold. And perfect. Alright, so that's happier. Other one I'll actually check now that I'm thinking about it is the lat. So I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to try and pull you out here. Try and hold that in. Perfect. And I'll switch you sides. So the other arm's going to come up. And I'm going to bring you in. Try and hold that in. I'm going to see if I can bring you out. Perfect. So that's good. We're going to come down to the hips from here. I'm going to get you turned facing me over this way. Perfect. Good. Bottom leg's going to be straight. Just good. Good, good. And then deep breath in. Out. There it is. And I'll get you over on the other side. Good. And breath in. Out. Alright, get your back face down. Perfect. So recheck the hammies. Try and hold that there. Much happier. And hold. Much happier.
Much better.
That's nice and even. And here, I'm going to get you to turn on your back for me. So face up. Good there?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. No, it's not. You've not been very kind to yourself lately.
No.
I'm going to start through the upper cervicals on the right. There it is. Beautiful. And we got to work through the muscles there. I'm assuming you can feel that.
Oh, yeah.
What have you been doing to yourself?
Honestly, not much, because I can't move. I've just been running.
Fair enough.
But my sleeping hasn't been good at all. Also been quite stressed, so that's probably has something to do with
Yeah,
it.
good mix of everything.
Yeah.
Now, in terms of sleep, I know you said you had the body pillow. How's, like, is that one that encompasses the neck, or do you have a separate neck pillow?
Yeah, so it's the, like the pregnancy pillows.
Okay, yeah.
So I have those because they've definitely helped my hips and knees in the past, and just like support my neck. I've either had too many pillows or not enough.
Yeah.
So it does help, but I just stuff not really doing justice right now.
Doesn't seem like it. We'll also probably have to come up with something for stress management. I feel like that's where we go. Anything you're trying or doing?
Trying to just like calm the mind before bed, and like doing a little bit of meditation, which helps for
That's
sure.
good.
But
Absolutely.
drinking as much water as I can and eating as healthy as I can. I did have sunstroke like 2 weeks ago though,
Okay.
and ever since then my body's been way off.
I believe it.
Yeah.
You okay with traction?
Yep.
I'm gonna give you a pull.
Yep.
Good, and I'll switch it.
That felt good.
Yeah, that's definitely a favorite.
Yeah.
If it needs it, it's one of the better ones to get.
Yeah.
Good. Good, and then can you push out for me here? I'm gonna see if we can push it up together. Perfect. Switch it and push. Good. Squeeze the ankles together. Good. And then I'll have you kick up with the left. Perfect. And the right. Good. Get your knees up for me. Good. Squeeze them together. Good. And then from here, I'm gonna get you to bring both arms straight up in front of you. And I'm gonna have you turn the palms out. Can you try and squeeze the wrists together for me? I'm gonna see if I can bring you apart. Well, the right's not bad. The left is a different story.
Yeah.
Can you bring your hand just sort of under your collarbone on the right? And then try and hold that in again. Much happier. Kick that away and hold. Okay, so you get that hand back. We're gonna work just underneath the collarbone. The pressure's okay there? Probably gonna be a touch on the tender side, but as long as it's manageable. Usually for this we don't have to go too hard, which is good. Good, I'm gonna have more out in through. Manageable there? Perfect.
Massage therapist was much better.
Shake that left arm out for me, and then I'll get you to bring it back up. And turn your palm out, try and hold it there. That's better. And then from here, I'm going to try and push you up. Try and hold that down. Good. I'll switch you. Just make sure that the right wants to do the same. Try and hold that down. That seems really good. All right, I'm going to get you sitting for me. We're going to check a little more in through. So we're going to check how the traps are actually functioning. So there's enough spring in them. Like first rib is moving, and they're not horrible. But if you shrug the shoulder up and then ear towards the shoulder, try and hold those together. I'm going to see if I can bring it apart. Good. Same thing over on the other side. So ear up, ear towards the shoulder. Way harder.
Yeah.
Can you take your right hand and bring it right there on the left arm? Perfect. And then shoulder up, ear towards the shoulder, hold. Good. So that's better. And then if you take that away, one more time just for fun, hold. Way worse. Okay. So we're going to work in through here again, potentially uncomfortable.
That's okay.
You are a bit more of a mess than I expected.
Yeah. Maybe I just slept on it super strange and weird when I had sunstroke and I was dehydrated and everything got.
Could have been. It's weird how things cascade like that sometimes, but they definitely can. And then just shake that arm out. Perfect. When you're ready, shoulder up, ear towards the shoulder. Perfect. Hold. There. That's heavier. Good. Thickness-wise, I'm not too concerned about anything in there. That seems good. All right.